like something's happened. I bought another car. Some of you will have seen on my Instagram, I've been sort of teasing little pictures that have like, I've blurred the actual car itself out. I've had it, well, basically I went and bought it. It's been sat for 2 years. I've managed to get it home. Nothing works, as you would expect, but I'm really enjoying it. It's not something I've ever bought before. It's not something I would have thought of buying. I don't even know why I bought it, but I love it. It is awesome. It's the best thing I've ever bought. Probably not, but it's cool. A couple of clues before I reveal it. I'll put it on my Instagram. A little poll thing, a question thing. It's Japanese. It's mid-engined, and it's rear-wheel drive. So leave a little comment underneath, like pause the video if you want, and leave a little comment below with a guess of what you think it is, or don't, whatever. Are you ready? You're gonna be disappointed, I'm sorry. Here we go. Well, here she is. 18's on it, RX-8 alloys. Mazda Bongo. What do you reckon? Let's unlock this so you can have a look. How do I open it? That one, I think. No? There we go. You ready for this? Oh yes. Look at her. Absolute peach. All the seats, I've just put these in. I had a quick look over it before I got the camera out, obviously. But let me just climb in. She's got 8 seats. Yeah, 3 here, 3 there, 2 in the front. These ones fold down, so you can make like a little table. It's properly grim in here. You know me, I like to buy absolute turds. It's just grimy kind of everywhere. Sunroof, that doesn't work because it leaks. These are cool. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. Let's find something that works. Little Japanese sticker there. Oh, this is cool actually, watch this. Soft closed doors. Right, I'm in. So this one is a tin top. I love this really. Watch this, watch the soft close. That is one of the only things that works on this van. Sunroof is here. Leaks like an absolute sieve. That's what we like. Oh my god, it is properly wet in here. Ooh, nice. Right, you can see the drip. But we'll sort that out. What else? Floor, that's wet. Baby bell, McDonald's thing. But she's a nugget, it will be good. Let me just, where's the handle? Pull that. Oh, dearie me. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to climb around. I don't know if you can see me. Just trying to climb around a bit. What else? These are little seats. You can sort of have them as a footstool. So if you're sat in the back, you just there you go. You can put you can sit there and put your feet up. Obviously that sort of folds back as well. Or you can put that over like I've done, fold that over there, and it becomes a seat. And then you can have that as a table. Well, you saw it a minute ago. What else we got? DVD player, Alpine. That's sort of hanging out. So, not 100% sure if that works. Aircon, dual aircon. So you've got aircon in the front and aircon in the back. Again, no idea if it works. I know it blows air. Don't know if it's cold or hot or whatever. What else? What I should say as well is this wasn't started for 2 years. So the bloke who bought it off, he bought it just before COVID, used it for a bit, him and his family, parked it up and then just left it for 2 years, just sitting there. So had a flat tyre, the valve fell off the wheel on the alloy, so I had that done, just had to put a little valve on it. What else? We just sort of got some oil pressure in the engine before we started it up and then just went for it really, see what happened, and she fired straight up, pretty good. It's got a brand new cylinder head on it just before I got it, well before he let it stand. It's a 2.5 turbo diesel, rapid. It's not, it's an auto. There you go, auto box. I think it's like 3 gears or something, maybe 4. What else? Those 2 little switch things there, they do the rear blinds, these things. Maybe the ignition has to be on actually to get them to work. Let me have a go, hang on, put you down for a sec. There you go. That's both of those sides going up, I think. Can't really see. Down. That's cool. A bit slow. And this one. That one doesn't work. Oh, it is working. Bit intermittent. So I did have, let me just put the this into lounge mode. Oh dearie me, I'm getting too old for this. Oh yeah, it has got some of this, some curtain action, so you can, same the other side. You can see that has also got some curtains, so you can go camping and such. But anyway, so I went and picked it up. I forgot the camera, not ideal, but I went and got it. It hasn't got an MOT by the way either, so I had to put some dealer plate things on it so I could get it to my house, borrow some of them. And then realised it didn't have any fuel, so like below empty on the gauge. So I thought, oh right, we're gonna have to go and get some fuel. And if you live in the UK, you'll know that at the moment it is just mad trying to get fuel. So I thought, okay, let's go to a fuel station. Found one, they were shut. Found another one, they were shut because they all ran out. Found the third one, they were open and had fuel. Got in the queue. Some great big bold bouncer looking dude put me in like pump number 4 queue. Got all the way up to the pump thing. Person in front of me was topping a bit of diesel in. They'd finish. Woman then came out and put the yellow sticker thing saying it was ran out. I was like, oh my god, I'm running on fumes. I don't even know if this engine's going to last any minute. If I run out, have I got to prime it and whatever, try and get all the air out again? Nightmare. So anyway, carried on, found another petrol station, shut. Kept going, found another petrol station, open, massive queue. Long story short, queued up, got to the pump. They had diesel, put the diesel pump in, started filling it up. It took a tenner. clicked. I was like, what? Basically, the gauge doesn't work. So after like 2 hours of trying to get fuel, wondering if we're going to run out any minute, and if the car even works, didn't even know if it worked properly, never test driven it, never ran it, never done anything. Yeah, after all that, the gauge was broke, so it's going to be a little job we're going to fix in a future video. We'll get that sorted. What else happened that I didn't bring the camera along for, stupidly? I think that's it. Also, I left the fuel cap at the petrol station as well, which is a bit annoying. So, what can you do? But anyway, I hope you like the new little Bongo. It is a tin top, as I said. There's no pop top, so we're going to call it a bungalow because there's no upstairs. Everything is just soaking wet up there. I think this sunroof just leaks, so there's water getting in. But anyway, we're going to sort that out. But if you did like the video and you want to carry on with this little fun build thing, then make sure you subscribe. Thank you if you are already subscribed. The MX-5 is sat right there, ready to do some mad stuff too. I've done a couple of little videos on that, which will be coming up soon. Neons is one of them. Put some neons on it. Going to be taking it racing again soon, which will be good. So you can tag along with that. There's the 335i parked in my neighbour's space. They're probably fuming because I've got 4 cars now and only 2 spaces. But Sodom, we've got to have some fun somewhere, haven't we? So anyway, more videos to come on that 335i. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, all the same old jazz. I will see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.